Hello to the workshop MxBell 2.3.1. What has changed? We have made two small changes in that application, and then I like to present what means that in the daily business when you're using the app. First, we're starting at the grid. What is the normal behavior if you are observing 4 cameras at home? You want to see what is going on at home. You click on the grid element, you jump directly to the full screen mode of that camera, you double check, is there something strange going on in my garden? If not, then you have directly that X in that view, click on it, and then you jump back to the grid view and selecting the next camera. In this case, the door station. You make the same inspection, everything is good, and then you press on the X and you'll be right back in the grid view. That is one small change what we have done in the MxBell version. And the second step, if you're example, you have the ability to choosing a camera in the camera list. Here in this case, my garden camera. We will direct it directly to my garden camera. Have also the chance to make inspection, but now we have also a quick link on the name of the camera. On the top bar, there's the Garden Q25. If I press on it, I will be directed, linked to the camera list again. And then camera. Make a short inspection, and if needed, I go again to, in this game, it's the camera name is Haustür. I press on that name, and then suddenly I will be linked to the reference list of the cameras. I can choose, and as you can see, it is go very smoothly and very fast, and it's intuitive, and we hope that helps you in your daily business with the MxBell app. Thank you very much.